Hello, everyone. Love is Blind is about falling in love with someone without looks being very prominent. And so, in order to do that, they are basically behind pods, which is this wall, and two people get to talk to one another and in the process of getting to know one another. And so, in today's episode, we're getting to know Sword Fishman, those innocent, and John Johnson, those innocent. And so, Sword Fishman, his background is that he's from a very religious household, but he wants to break free from his family's traditions and marry for love. And he's also very interested in Greek philosophy, so let's hear what he has to say.
Hi, everybody. My name's Sword Fishman, and I'm so excited to be on Love is Blind today. I'm on the show today because I'm looking for a wife. I want 8 kids. I attended the Pro-Natalist Convention in Austin, Texas this past year, and I feel very inspired by that. I hope the girl that I get matched with is religious, big butt, wants kids, and is a woman that I can build my life with, preferably, of course. I just want to get married. I just want to get married.
Now, after meeting the marvelous Sword Fishman, we're going to meet his match, John Johnson. Is unlike Sword, not religious at all.
My name is John Johnson. I'm a little bit of a flirt. I'm pretty open-minded about this experience, and I'm just trying to see where it goes. I don't know if I'm ready for a wife, preferably, like a wife. Yeah, but hey, if it works out, it works out. I'm excited.
Okay, lovebirds, go crazy! Yeah!
My name is John Johnson. What's your name?
Whoa, I've never heard a girl named that before. My name is Sword Fishman.
Whoa, it's a really unique name too.
Yeah, well, what are your intentions? Like, what are you trying to get out of this?
Oh, I mean, I don't really know. I'm just looking for a little bit of fun and maybe a connection.
Yeah, no, me too. That was a lie. I was not okay with that.
So, what's your favorite?
Actually, I'm sorry. I was lying. I want to get married. I want you to bear my children and carry on my Christian dynasty.
Yo, Sword is weird. What is he talking about? Whoa, I don't think I can do that for you. I'm not even religious like that.
What do you mean? Like, what do you mean you're just here for a good time? Plato believed that love was a wonderful emotion that led men to behave honorably. We should behave honorably together, forever, through the magic of heterosexual sexual marriage.
Well, I mean, I'm at this stage in my life where I can't really make a big commitment. And plus, I like to take things kind of slow.
Well, what if I don't? I want to consummate our marriage, but I want God to shine favorably upon this conception.
Well, nowadays, people don't even get married and think of love more radically. So, I mean, I don't even know if I want to get married myself.
I gotta go.
Hello?
Yeah, what's good, bro?
Wait, that guy sounded exactly like Sword Fishman.
God, what if I'm wrong? What if she's right? Like, do I have it all backwards? I'm nozzling my noggin right now. I gotta go talk to her. I gotta go talk to her.
Maybe she's right. Like, maybe marriage is just all we make it. You know? Maybe marriage is more than just a ring on the finger. Maybe it should be about love. Oh, I don't even know anymore.
Yo, okay, I'm gonna go back inside. Is that okay?
That's okay. You can go back.
You know, I'm sorry. I just needed some time to think. But I realized you're right. Now, this might sound a little corny, but let's touch hands to solidify this bond we formed and get out of this place, okay? I can feel the energy. Oh, I'm coming out to see you. Where are you?
Wait. You want me to hold this for you?
Nah, you're good.
Okay.
Where is she? Oh my god. What are you looking for? Yo, dude, what the fuck are you looking for? Like, what the fuck?
Oh my god.
What?
He's looking for you. That's Sword Fishman.
Yeah, dude! What?